hanggang saan naabot ang 50,000 mo. So guys, may i-share na naman ako sa inyo na bagong way para palaguin yung savings nyo. Did you know that you can earn up to 6.5% per year nang wala kang ginagawa pero safe pa rin? Let's talk about Salmon Time Deposit. So basically, dito meron kang choice kung ilang months or years na hindi mo gagalawin yung pera mo. Pwede kang mamili from 6 months up to 3 years. Kapag nag-deposit ka ng at least 50,000 pesos at hindi umabot ng 1M, you get 6% per year. But if you deposit 1M up to 50M, diba sana all? You can even enjoy higher rates at 6.5% per year if you choose the 2 years or 3 years na term. Meron kayong option to get the interest on a monthly basis or pwede rin naman iwan nyo na lang dun sa account so that it will compound and even earn more. Imagine, you can earn as much as 7.02%, especially kapag mas malaki yung capital mo. At ang maganda pa dito, you can easily monitor your account because everything is app-based sa Salmon Bank na app. Paano naman mag-open ng Salmon Time Deposit account? Just visit this website to sign up and Salmon Bank team will contact you. Just type this in on your browser, that is bit.ly/savvy-salmon tv. Access nyo na yung link para maka-open kayo ng Salmon Time Deposit account.